Hello and welcome to another Ask Angela. And Angela, it's getting really exciting, isn't it? Just what, 4 months to go? Just over.
Yes, Alistair, I wish you'd stop reminding me that it's getting so close.
Well, how's it looking down there?
It's looking absolutely fabulous. I went on a site tour with Craig on Wednesday, and it's probably been about 3.5 weeks since I've been down there. And I was really, really surprised to see how much work has gone on. It's starting to look like a proper building now. There are corridors, there are rooms. The big hall where the bleacher seating is going is looking absolutely fabulous. You can see both floors of the Learning Resource Centre. It's really looking very, very smart at the moment, really smart.
Now, we've actually got our first question. It's from Paul. He says he's 17 years old. Can he still apply to the UTC in Swindon?
Yes, Paul can apply to come into a Year 12, which means he can still get 2 years of funding in full-time education with us. So he'd do Year 12 and 13.
And talking of applications, when is the deadline for the last application for this September?
For this September, we can take applications right up to the day we start in September. However, we've had lots of applications in the last few weeks, and I would suggest if you're still thinking of applying, please apply now.
Yeah, well, you certainly don't want to miss out on that, do you?
No, because we can allocate the place as soon as we get the application. Then I meet with parents or guardians with students to look at choices and getting them ready to start in September then.
Now, you mentioned that Paul could come in at Year 12. We had another question from Michael asking whether or not the classes would be streamed like in regular schools.
Something similar, particularly Maths and English. We will test people for their levels of ability, and then we'll put them into relevant groups, or if they need extra support, then they'll have extra support as well. So yes, in some instances, but particularly around Maths and English. Also with sciences, some students will choose to do science, like a double silence. Those more able students, or those wanting a more science background, will do the extended science, which is 3 subjects.
So again, actually coming along that same subject about choices, obviously they have to be made for GCSE and for A-level. When do they make those choices?
Okay. I've met most of the students that have been accepted onto the college places now, and in the next few weeks they'll be getting an option sheet coming out to their home address, which they'll fill in, and then we can get them started on their courses in September.
Now, you're saying how well the building's coming on. When are students actually going to get a chance to have a look around?
It's a little bit busy to take whole groups of people round, but certainly after the Whitsun holiday, I'll be arranging some tours, and then we'll take small groups round so they can look at the building, because it really will be looking like the finished article by then.
Wow, so really, really soon.
It's not far away, is it? Stop reminding me, Alistair, I did say. We've got the countdown clock, of course, on our website, which does make it feel a little scary, actually. And that's quite interesting on the odds of being a little scary. There will be a full induction programme for the students as well in September. So their first week will be an induction week where they can get to meet their fellow colleagues and staff as well, and get to know the building a little bit more.
But I'm sure everyone's getting very, very excited.
They are,
Not
yes.
only the staff, but also the students
They
about
are indeed,
the
yes.
oncoming project.
Yeah.
Fantastic. Well, thanks, Angela, so much indeed for that. Well answered, as always. Thank you. And if you have any questions to ask Angela, do get in touch on our website. In the meantime, of course, you'll find more updates coming up very, very soon here on UTC Swindon TV.